Hello everyone, welcome to Fun Learning. In this video, we'll see quiz on famous Indian places. So let's start. The famous Jim Corbett National Park is in which state? Options are option A Uttarakhand, option B Kerala, option C Himachal Pradesh. And the correct answer is Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett is in Uttarakhand. The famous Dilwara temple is in which state? Options are option A Andhra Pradesh, option B Rajasthan, option C Karnataka. And the correct answer is Rajasthan. Dilwara temple is in Rajasthan. The beautiful hill station Darjeeling is famous for which industry? Options are option A flower industry, option B tea industry, option C coffee industry. And the correct answer is tea industry. Darjeeling is famous for tea industry. Sabrimala temple is in which state? Options are option A Kerala, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is Kerala. Sabrimala temple is in Kerala. The famous Dudhsagar waterfalls is situated in which state? Options are option A Maharashtra, option B Gujarat, option C Goa. And the correct answer is Goa. Dudhsagar waterfalls are situated in Goa. Famous rock garden is in which city? Options are option A Jaipur, option B Udaipur, option C Chandigarh. And the correct answer is Chandigarh. Rock garden is in Chandigarh. Haldighati is situated in which state? Options are option A Rajasthan, option B Punjab, option C Gujarat. And the correct answer is Rajasthan. Haldighati is situated in Rajasthan. The famous Sun temple is situated in which city? Options are option A Cuttack, option B Bhubaneswar, option C Konark. And the correct answer is Konark. Sun temple is situated in Konark. Do you recognize following historic place? It's Gol Gumbaz, Bijapur. Popular Victoria Memorial is situated in which city? Options are option A Mysore, option B Kolkata, option C Dehradun. And the correct answer is Kolkata. Victoria Memorial is in Kolkata. Do you know in which city Golden Temple is located? A. Jaisalmer, B. Ludhiana, C. Amritsar. And the correct answer is Amritsar. Golden Temple is in Amritsar. India's first UNESCO World Heritage City is? Options are option A Aurangabad, option B Hyderabad, and option C Ahmedabad. And the correct answer is Ahmedabad. Can you guess this UNESCO World Heritage Place? It's Red Fort, Delhi. Which hill station is known as Queen of Hills? Options are option A Mussoorie, option B Kodaikanal, option C Manali. And the correct answer is Mussoorie. Mussoorie is known as Queen of Hills. The world famous Khajuraho sculptures are located in. Options are option A Himachal Pradesh, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Khajuraho sculptures are in Madhya Pradesh. Which one of the following is the oldest monument? Options are option A Amer Fort, option B Ajanta Caves, option C Taj Mahal. And the correct answer is Ajanta Caves. Meenakshi temple is in which city? Options are option A Varanasi, option B Madurai, option C Haridwar. And the correct answer is Madurai. Meenakshi temple is in Madurai. Jal Mahal, Peacock Gate, Amber Fort, City Palace, Wind Palace are in which city? Options are option A Kanpur, option B Jodhpur, option C Jaipur. And the correct answer is Jaipur. Elephanta Caves are in which city? Options are option A Pune, option B Mumbai, option C Aurangabad. And the correct answer is Mumbai. Elephanta Caves are in Mumbai. Historic House Museum Anand Bhavan is in which city? Options are option A Ahmedabad, option B Prayagraj, option C Varanasi. And the correct answer is Prayagraj. Historic House Museum Anand Bhavan is in Prayagraj. Thanks for watching.